Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Cellular on your Apple Watch. First, ensure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS version, and your Apple Watch has the latest watch OS. Next, confirm your cellular carrier offers Apple Watch cellular plans. Finally, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has an active cellular data connection before proceeding with the setup process. To begin, open the Apple Watch application on your paired iPhone. Once inside the app, tap on the My Watch tab located at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Cellular to initiate the setup process. Your iPhone will then guide you through the specific steps provided by your cellular carrier to activate the service on your watch. During this stage, you might be prompted to log into your existing cellular carrier account. You'll then have the option to select a new cellular plan specifically for your Apple Watch or add it to an existing family plan. Carefully review the monthly cost and the terms of service before confirming. Follow all subsequent on-screen instructions from your carrier to finalize the activation of your cellular service. After completing the activation, verify your cellular connection. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and check the cellular status. You should see green bars or a connected message. For a true test, disconnect your Apple Watch from both Wi-Fi and your iPhone's Bluetooth. Then, try making a phone call or sending a text message directly from your watch to confirm the cellular service is fully operational.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.